In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. When the search results appear, click the correct official DocHub link to make sure you're going to the right website. Once the site loads, sign into your account so you can access the editing tools and your saved documents. After signing in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From here, open the PDF you want to edit. Once your document is on screen, you can begin making changes directly inside DocHub. If you want to add new text, click the Text tool, which is marked with an A icon in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the PDF page to create a text box. Type in the text you want to add, and use the styling bar above the document to adjust the appearance. This is where you can change things like the font size, text color, and alignment so your new text matches the rest of the document as closely as possible. If you need to cover or remove existing content, use the whiteout tool, shown as a solid rectangle icon next to the highlighter. Click and drag over the text or image you want to erase. This is especially useful when you need to hide outdated information before replacing it with something new. To emphasize important parts of the document, click the highlighter tool, represented by the marker pen icon. Then drag over the words or sections you want to highlight. This adds a transparent color overlay, making key details easier to notice without hiding the original text. If you're collaborating with others, the comment tool can be very helpful. Click the speech bubble icon, then click anywhere on the page to place a comment. This creates a sticky note that reviewers can use to leave feedback or instructions. To manage the pages in your PDF, click the Page Manager icon on the far left side of the top toolbar. It looks like a grid with 4 small squares. A sidebar will open, showing thumbnail previews of every page in your document. From there, you can drag and drop pages to reorder them. If you need to remove or rotate a page, hover over its thumbnail and click the trash can or arrow icons. Once you're done editing, click the download or export button in the top right corner. From there, choose how you want to save your file. You can download the edited PDF to your computer, save it directly to Google Drive, or send it as an email attachment. And that's how to edit a PDF in DocHub quickly and efficiently.